Hi guys, it's Goddess Gal. Anyway, let's do the review for the new fragrance that I just got. This one is a Dior Maison line. It's Eden-Roc. So I would like to tell you guys a quick story, the reason why I bought it. I saw one of my favorite YouTubers. She is SMLXO, if you know her. She is really famous YouTuber for beauty, and she also do the videos about the fragrance. So I heard that she said this one is a summer fragrance and it's just one of her favorites. And I know it's kind of late to do the review, but where I live is hot all year round. It's summer every season. So I'm so curious to try this one on. And I heard that it's a jasmine fragrance. So I love jasmine and I love Dior's. Anyway, let's take a look for the notes. This one is a citrus fragrance. I love citrus. The top notes are sea salt, citruses, mineral notes. Middle notes are jasmine, masic, lentisk, coconut. And the base notes are pine tree, labdanum. Oh my god, so this is gonna be the second fragrance that have the coconut notes that I'm gonna try. The first one that I tried before is a clown Ariana Grande. I like it, but sometimes it's too much. So, oh my god, I already take the plastic out. This is the packaging. Looks classic. I like that they give you the box that you can keep it. And it's kind of sturdy. The packaging just kind of basic but beautiful. The color of the fragrance is kind of not white but a little bit yellowish, but not that yellow. The color just screams for the beach or just citrusy fragrance. Anyway, I like the packaging. Oh wow, like you could barely see the tube. Oh my god, let's put it on. Right now it's almost 3. So fine. It smells like beach. So creamy, it's fresh, it's citrusy, and it's kind of light. And that jasmine. So, oh my god, it screams summer. So delicious, sweet, but not that much, and white floral fragrance. So relaxing. So I say at the beginning you could smell all the notes in here. It's so creamy and relaxing. I say I could smell a lot of sea salt and citrusy and a little bit coconut and jasmine. Alright guys, I'll come back for the wear test. Hi guys, I'm back. It's been 20 minutes and I thought when I first put it on, I think it's kind of generic fragrance, but now I feel like it's simple, but it's kind of beautiful. It gets more citrusy and sweeter with time, and I think it's a little bit green smelling, but I don't mind that. I like this kind of citrus white floral fragrance, and sometimes I like that oriental one. This one is not oriental, but it feels like I'm in a spa, relaxing, calming smell. It's like open air spa at the beach or something. Light, but not that light. I could smell it all the time. I know I just put it on, but I think it's not that light. It's airy though. It gives you that beachy vibe. I like it a lot. At first I think it's kind of generic, but now I think I like it. And let's see how long it lasts. Hi guys, welcome back. Right now it's 1 a.m. It's been forever and this fragrance still lasts on my skin. That's so impressive for the longevity. And this one, it gets more sweeter with time. I think it's like, even though this one is marketed for unisex, but I feel like it tends to be a little bit more feminine. It gets sweeter and sweeter with time. And I could smell that a little bit of sea salt still. It's so good and creamy and sweet. I feel like that sweet is like the white floral sweetness and the citrusy. I could smell a little bit of citrus. So I think it's a good fragrance for everybody who loves citrus fragrance and something that's not too much, light, simple, but kind of delicate. So I thought I wouldn't like it, but I end up liking it so much. So I'll leave it to you guys if you should get it or not. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.